Agricultural processes have been simplified through the use of innovative technology. More profitable results are now generated by modern agricultural machines. Out of all the machines manufactured for this purpose, there are a few that have captured the attention of everyone in the industry for the exceptional and brilliant results they provide. So today, we'll be taking a detailed look at 10 of the world's most ingenious and modern agricultural machines. Drop a comment at the end of the video, subscribe to the channel, and toggle the notification feature for future updates. Number 10. The Claas Cougar 1400. Claas is a German company that specializes in the manufacture of agricultural machinery. As one of the world leaders in manufacturing agricultural equipment, Claas has developed several top-performance combine harvesters, self-propelled forage harvesters, tractors, balers, green harvesting machines, and others. The Claas Cougar 1400 is a self-propelled mower that can reach cutting widths up to 14 meters. Because of this exceptional feat, the Cougar 1400 is known as the biggest self-propelled mower in the game. It has a travel length of about 11.5 meters, a travel height of 3.96 meters, and a transport width between 3 to 3.5 meters. This ingenious mower weighs roughly 18,500 kilos. This mower has a Chrysler or Mercedes-Benz OM 457 LA diesel engine that can generate a peak output of 480 horsepower. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 960 litres. The Claas Cougar 1400 is fitted with a total of 7 mowing units and side mowers. 3 mowing units are combined at the front, 1 mowing unit at each side of the middle, and 2 side mowers fitted on telescoping booms in between the axles. Each of these mowing units can be separately controlled to mow in all 4 directions. Number 9. The Jacto Arbus 4000 JAV. Since it was founded by Shunji Nishimura, Jacto has developed several products that release little to no waste in the environment. Its products aid and simplify farming procedures like planting, sugarcane harvesting, coffee harvesting, pruning, spraying, and application of fertilizers. Jacto Arbus 4000 JAV is a sprayer that works autonomously. The sprayer was created specifically for use on citrus farms in Brazil. It has a laser system that provides a critical analysis of the crops to be sprayed and a smart obstacle management system. Its application system decides the magnitude of air each of its fans discharges in relation to the dimensions of the crops. The sprayer's tank has a capacity of 4,000 litres and can be operated either autonomously or remotely. The Jacto Arbus 4000 JAV sprayer has a diesel engine that has a rated power of 132 horsepower. Number 8. The Holmer Terra DOS T440. Since its inception in 1969, Holmer has become a world leader in the manufacture of self-propelled beet harvesters. In 1974, Holmer created the first semi-propelled 6-row beet harvester in the industry. The agricultural equipment manufacturer develops and sells distinguishable machines that are guaranteed to produce high yields and high efficiency. The Holmer Terra DOS T440 is a self-propelled beet harvester with embedded Holmer EcoPower and Holmer Easy Lift systems. The harvester's chassis has an integrated slope sensor that maintains the harvester's ability on all states of farms and under all weather conditions. Together with its Holmer Smart Drive, these features ensure the beet harvester has a low rate of fuel consumption, high amount of harvesting efficiency, and provides extreme comfort for its operator. Its longitudinal and transverse slat conveyors allow the harvester to discharge produce as quickly as possible. Its axles and bent axis motor enhance the fluid movement of the harvester across the field, simultaneously making sure its tires are well protected. Number 7. The Cat's Challenger MT865C. Challenger is a brand under AGCO. The American manufacturer of tractors was founded by Caterpillar Inc. in 1986. Later, in 2002, the brand was acquired by AGCO. AGCO has produced a diverse list of agricultural equipment, including sprayers and floaters, articulated tractors, row crop tractors, and track tractors. The drive behind AGCO is inventing high-technology equipment with state-of-the-art tools that provide the best outputs for its customers. CAT Challenger MT865C has a track width of 762mm and a travel speed of 40 km per hour. The Challenger has an overall length of 6,858mm, a ground clearance of 365.76mm, and a transport height of 3,505.2mm. The Challenger MT865C is equipped with a Caterpillar C18 ASRBUS 6-cylinder diesel engine that generates a maximum output of 525 horsepower. Its fuel tank can hold 1,249.1 litres of diesel. The tractor's wheelbase is approximately 300 centimetres and the MT865C weighs 19,141 kilos. The CAT Challenger is fitted with a Caterpillar PowerShift transmission system with a total of 16 forward gears and 4 reverse gears. Number 6. The John Deere 1470G. The wheeled harvester is fitted with a CH9 crane and a John Deere 6090 HTJ engine. The engine can produce a rated speed of 1900 RPM and a torque of 1250 Nm and an output of 255 horsepower. The John Deere 1470G has a hydrostatic mechanical transmission system and a wheelbase of 4,270mm. It also has a base carrier length of 7,944mm, a total width of 2,990mm, and a transport height of 3,910mm. In addition to a ground clearance of 754mm and a horizontal reach of 8.6 meters, it also has a fuel tank that can take 450 litres of fuel. The harvester weighs 24,250 kilos and has a H480C harvesting head that can produce a delimbing feed rate of 5.3 meters per second, a delimbing feed force of 30 kN, and a delimbing diameter of 680 millimeters, and a felling diameter of 710 millimeters. John Deere was founded by the Mazzotti family over 180 years ago. Its technology helps in providing high-yield output on different farms all over the world. John Deere's employees are focused on developing solutions that help various farmers and their livelihoods. The American manufacturer of agricultural equipment is dedicated to simplifying agricultural processes and making sure they are more profitable. Number 5. The John Deere X9 1100 Combine. John Deere X9 1100 Combine was designed to high-yield outputs with minimum harvesting cost. It can also work for several hours, harvesting all crops under various weather conditions. The combine harvester has a John Deere PowerTech PSS 13.6-litre displacement engine that has a rated power of 603 horsepower, a rated speed of 1900 RPM, and a peak power of 690 horsepower. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 1,249.2 litres, and its feeding system can be operated under fixed or variable speeds. The harvester's separating system has a dual rotor with a length of 3.51 meters, a diameter of 60.1 centimeters, and can reach speeds between 300 to 1300 RPM. Its separating area is 38.75 square feet, and its discharge grate area is 4.85 square feet. Its cleaning system consists of a front chaffer that has a working area of 10.4 square feet, and a pre-cleaning chaffer that has a working area of 33.69 square feet. The attached grain tank can hold 16,200 litres of grain and unloads the grains at a rate of 186 litres per second. Number 4. Case IH Axial Flow 9240 Combine Harvester. The Case IH has been in existence for over 175 years. It is globally recognized as a producer of reliable, strong, and premium agricultural equipment that helps in tackling problems in modern farming. Today, Case IH has its business in over 160 countries in the world. This combine harvester has a weight of 21 tons. It has a transport length of 8.05 meters, a transport width of 3.49 meters, and a transport height of 3.98 meters. Its Case IHFPT 15.9-litre displacement engine has a rated power of 550 kilowatts and a peak power of 625 kilowatts. Its grain tank can hold 410 bushels and it unloads at a rate of 4.5 bushels per second. Its residue management system consists of a vertical spreader, a chopper, and a hydraulically driven dual-disc spreader. The Case IH Axial Flow 9240 combine harvester has automatic crop settings to aid its operator in picking crops and embedded yield and moisture monitoring sensors. It also has an AFS variety tracking system to record the performance of up to 30 seed variants and an AFS Pro 700 display to monitor the harvesting process. Number 3. Deutsche Fahr 9340 TTV Warrior Tractor. Deutsche Fahr was founded by Nicholas August Otto in 1864. Deutsche Fahr is notable for aiding the military in World War II by converting water-cooled engines into air-cooled versions. In 1952, Fahr presented its very first self-propelled combine harvester. Over the years, Deutsche Fahr has made countless contributions to agriculture, such as the first clear view tractor, the first suspended front axle, its first continuously variable transmission tractor, and panoramic cabs. This row crop tractor's engine has a gross power of 316 horsepower and a maximum power output of 336 horsepower. The Deutsche 7.8-litre displacement 6-cylinder engine has a fuel capacity of 599.9 litres and can generate a torque of 1372.3 Nm. The Warrior tractor has a weight of 11,999 kilos, with a front lift of 5,000 kilos and its rear lift of 11,999 kilos. Its wheelbase is 313 centimeters and its front tires are 650/65 R34 tires, while its rear tires are 710/75 R42s. The Deutsche Fahr 9340 TTV Warrior tractor has a length of 526 centimeters, a width of 255 centimeters, and a cab height of 350 centimeters. Number 2. The Vredo VT55183 Slurry Tank. Vredo is a German mechanical engineering company founded in 1975. It has developed a wide range of slicing filters, overseeders, slurry injectors, and self-propelled tractors. The slurry tank includes a Deutsche TCD 16.0 V8 engine and a Vredo VVT 600 ZVT transmission system. The 8-cylinder engine has a displacement of 16 litres. It has a rated power of 544 horsepower and can generate a peak torque of 2,650 Nm. Its CVT Vredo VVT 600 transmission has a permanent all-wheel drive with longitudinal differential and a lockable longitudinal differential. Its pneumonic suspended class cab has a 10.4-inch ASRBUS virtual terminal, a Gramma Maximo Super Comfort seat, and an ASRBUS control for tracking systems. The cab is also fitted with ergonomic joysticks, a Climatronic air conditioning system, a camera, an LCD color monitor, and a passenger seat. Its suspension system includes a hydraulic suspended front axle, 2 hydraulic suspended rear axles, and 3 rear axles with walking beams. It also includes an all-wheel steer feature, crab steering, dry disc brakes, and axles with cross-differential lock. The slurry tank has 2 load-sensing pumps that work at a rate of 190 litres per minute and a closed-loop pump that works at a rate of 260 litres per minute. It has an oil tank with a volume of 170 litres. The 3-axle VT55183 hosts a 32,000-litre tank. It has a pump slicer unit placed at the front to give a perfect view. The 3-point rear hitch with 3N, 3 or 4N pickup hooks can handle all of the industry's injectors. Its 12,000-litre per minute positive displacement slurry pump provides the maximum possible capacity. Number 1. The John Deere Sprayer R4060. The John Deere Sprayer R4060 has a command drive powertrain that can generate high performance even under its automatic mode. Its Command Drive 3 cab with an embedded Greenstar 4600 command center display aids the operator in controlling the sprayer. Its exact apply nozzle control can accurately spray up to 20 acres every hour. Both of its embedded SprayStar spray rate and dry rate control systems work together to produce precise control rates. Its steel and carbon fiber John Deere booms have swing-link suspension systems that enhance the optimized balance of the sprayer. The integrated solution command system has an on and off fill station light, an automated rinse cycle, a visual nozzle check, a target fill, a pull-on fill, a push-on fill, and many other controls. It also has the ability to monitor the automatic rinse procedure and the ability to pick a suitable method. Its load command system allows the sprayer to load as fast as 1500 litres per minute. The sprayer's 6057 litre tank can be loaded within 4 minutes. With this feature, the John Deere sprayer is super efficient and super versatile. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on those post notifications so you don't miss content similar to this.